Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And it unfortunately was in the very bearish direction. So going into next week, after the dust has settled here, there's certainly some very interesting and very kind of black and white levels from the technical perspective. And black and white being levels that, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery. These are just areas that a lot of people are going to be watching. And I emphasize that because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's really what's going on with both of these areas. So the first level that we'll talk about is the area of support right here at $1.30. $1.30 is essentially where the consolidation finally occurred. Yeah, that opening 30 minutes right there, things got crazy bad, but the price, like I said, stopped going down, went sideways here a little bit, and then for the remainder of the day, the price did a good job of just slightly staying up above that $1.30 mark. So $1.30 going to be that main level of support. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but my point here is it's a very valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that in the event the price were to come down here to $1.30 and break down through it, that in and of itself could create just that much more downside pressure. Like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. It could create downside pressure just because the price broke on the chart, which a lot of people are watching. So that'll be the first level from the support side of things. On the flip side, and the same logic applies as far as areas of resistance, you're going to have all sorts of breakout players watching this $1.55-ish area. Once more, not a guarantee, but it's a valid thought to have that if the price can continue to consolidate, get up there, and then break through it, that in and of itself could create quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. So there's going to be a lot of bottom players that are looking for this and potentially trying to play some sort of reversal bounce to the upside. Now, when I say reversal, I don't mean that if that level falls, it's going up to $3.50. But yeah, it could certainly pick up some momentum. So those are going to be the two main levels to watch going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.